Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove birth date on your Telegram profile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Telegram, known for its user-friendly interface, make it easy for users to customize their profiles. Your profile settings serve as the hub for managing various aspects of your Telegram account, including your age. In this video, I will show you how to remove your birth date on your profile. Maybe for some reason you want to change your birth date or the other reason. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. You can open your profile. You can tap on your bio. Here you can see your birthday or date birth here. You can manage who can see your birth date on your bio, and if you want to remove, you can just tap on remove date of birth. So now your birth date has been removed from your bio, and if you want to add again your birth date, you can just tap on add and choose the date. So that is how to remove birth date from your Telegram profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!